In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link boards in Monday.com. Linking boards is a powerful way to keep related information connected without having to duplicate work across multiple places. Think of it like creating a bridge between two boards, so updates in one can stay aligned with the other. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to connect boards and link specific items with confidence. First, open the board where you want the new connection to live. This is your target board, the place where you'll see the linked information. Once you're on that board, move your cursor to the far right of your columns until you see the plus icon to add a new column. Click that plus icon. A menu will appear with different column types. From this menu, choose the option called Connect Boards. This is the special column type that allows you to link one board to another. After selecting Connect Boards, a pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up, look for the button that says Select Boards and click it. This is where you choose which existing board or boards you want to connect to your current target board. You'll now see a list of your boards along with a search bar. Use the search field to type in the name of the board you want to connect. When you see the correct board in the results, check the box next to its name to select it. You can pause for a moment here to double-check you're choosing the right board, especially if you have several with similar names. Before confirming, look for the option that says Create a two-way connection. Turn this on by checking the box. A two-way connection means that not only can your target board pull in linked items, but the source board can also show the relationship back. This keeps both boards in sync, which is especially helpful for cross-team projects or shared resources. Once you've chosen your board and enabled the two-way connection, click the Connect Boards button to confirm. Monday.com will now create a new column on your target board that's dedicated to these links. To actually link specific items, click into a cell in this new Connected Boards column. A panel or pop-up will open, allowing you to choose items from the connected board. Select the item or items you want to link and confirm. That cell now represents a live link to the row or rows on the other board, keeping your data connected and easier to manage.